August 15th, 1977. A radio telescope in Ohio is quietly scanning the night sky. No one is watching. No one expects anything. Just another ordinary night. And then something arrives from deep space. So powerful, so perfectly structured, that the astronomer reviewing the data the next morning stops dead in his tracks, circles it with a red pen, and writes 2 words in the margin. Wow. 47 years later, science still cannot explain what that signal was. To understand why this was so shocking, you need to know what scientists were actually searching for. Since the 1960s, astronomers had been listening for a radio signal at 1420 megahertz. Why that specific frequency? Because hydrogen, the most abundant element in the entire universe, naturally emits radiation at exactly that wavelength. Any intelligent civilization anywhere in the cosmos would know this frequency. It would be the universal greeting, the one signal that crosses all languages. And that night in 1977, something from the direction of Sagittarius broadcast at exactly that frequency. Not close, exactly. It lasted 72 seconds, the maximum time the telescope could track a single point in the sky. Then it was gone, just like that. What followed was one of the most intense listening campaigns in history. Telescopes around the world locked onto those exact coordinates. Scientists waited, listened, held their breath for weeks, months, years. Over 50 searches conducted. The signal never came back. Not once. And the more they studied the original data, the stranger it became. It matched no pulsar, no quasar, no satellite, no earthly interference. Nothing in nature we know of produces a signal like that. So what was it? 3 serious explanations exist. First, a natural cosmic phenomenon we simply have not discovered yet. Physics can be stranger than fiction. Second, human interference. A forgotten satellite or military signal? Possible, but nobody has proven it in nearly 5 decades. And third, it was them. An intelligent civilization somewhere in the direction of Sagittarius aimed a deliberate signal at our solar system, at the exact frequency they knew we would be listening on, for exactly as long as our telescope could hear, and then went silent. 1 transmission, 1 attempt. Maybe they moved on. Maybe they are waiting for us to reply. Maybe they already know we heard them. In 2012, humanity finally responded. A message beamed directly toward those same coordinates. Greetings in 20 languages, music, mathematics, images of Earth. If the signal came from 200 light years away, our reply will arrive there in 2212. None of us will be alive to know if anyone answers back. But right now, as you watch this, that message is out there, crossing the darkness between stars, carrying the one thing humanity has always wanted to say to the universe. We are here. So, what do you think the wow signal was? Natural phenomenon? Human mistake? Or something out there trying to reach us? Drop your theory below. I read every single one. Subscribe for more videos like this, and I will see you next week. Keep looking up.